Good morning, hey y'all, hey, and welcome to Thanksgiving edition of What I Eat Wednesday. Even though Thanksgiving's on a Thursday, you'll see it afterwards. So, it is 9:46. The quasi-prorated coverage is the one in the living room, and I just straightened up the kitchen a little bit so it's good and organized for when we start cooking. Last night we made an apple pie and a pumpkin pie. I have to get the recipe Austin used for the pumpkin pie, but I can link to the one I used for the apple pie. I'll try and link everything down below. The only thing is we did not make our own crusts. In our local grocery store, they actually have pie crusts now that are labeled vegan, which is so nice because I hate making pie crust. It's the bane of my existence. So those are done. So it was a pumpkin pie and an apple crumble pie. I don't know if I mentioned the crumble part. Yeah, so that's done. We have some of our veggies already pre-chopped. We're doing the Gardein holiday roast this season, this holiday. So yeah, as you can tell, I'm frazzled. I have not had any coffee. I have not been having coffee all week. I've been on a coffee break. I do that occasionally. What I am going to make this morning are from Nativa's Organic. It's a matcha latte mix. And it says plant-based superfood drink, dairy-free, keto, paleo, 2 grams of MCT, organic, USDA. So yeah, this is what I've been having this week. I think these came in a vegan cuts box or something. So I have my soy milk that I'm gonna throw in my frother thingy. I've actually got 2 soy milks out because there's only a tiny bit left in this one. Yep, I figured I'd need to open the second one. So I'm gonna get this made, maybe sit down and watch a little more of the parade, and then I wanted to do some vacuuming. Especially the kitchen, just vacuum any little bits and bobs that may have hit the floor while we were working on the pies last night. And then I just vacuum the rest of the first floor since I'll have it out. And I think I'll then get the dining room table set up and ready for everything for dinner later. So that is my plan at the moment. So I'm gonna get this milk frothing. Sometimes this outlet just does not work. So here's my little latte. Don't be fooled, this is a giant cup. That's why it looks like it's not super full. I like using taller cups, bigger cups when I'm using my little frother tool, my mixing tools. It's just so like stuff doesn't go everywhere, but yeah, this is gonna be delicious. It's 10:48 and we're having some brunch. We have some just egg with a little bit of onion and seasonings and kalanamak. And I have a piece of Follow Your Heart pepper jack on top of mine and some Frank's hot sauce. I've got 1 slice of Dave's Killer bread from the green pack and 1 from the yellow because it was the last slice in the green pack. So got 2 slices. And I'm just gonna make that into a sandwich. And that is my like brunch-ish meal for the day. Austin made it and it looks good. So I'm gonna dig in. So here we have some chopped up candy roaster squash, which is more like a precursor or breed to butternut squash. And Austin's making, what are you making?
Candy roaster squash.
Some candied squash. So he's got his little sweet sauce already made up here. And these are all cubed and the oven is preheating. This is the first Thanksgiving thing we've got cooking so far today. good. It's now 3:08 and I'm getting some more stuff underway. Right here we have the bacon going. This is the Upton's bacon seitan. I'm gonna crumble some of this up to go in with my Brussels sprouts. I just figured it's okay if this is pre-cooked. I'm gonna get it done. Austin has already chopped our potatoes and they are in water and ready to go for whenever we want to get them going. And then here are his candied squash. I might try one. I'm not big on sweet squash applications, but they're already cooked through, so he'll just warm them up later before we serve. Yeah, I think our garden roast takes an hour, so we'll probably get that in shortly so that we can take it out, let it rest, and finish the, what else needs to go in the oven? The crescent rolls and the Brussels sprouts. She's so funny. Look at my baby sleeping. She's so silly under the chairs. She's so cute. Aww. What a lovely little kitty cat. Anyway, I'm about to put the Brussels sprouts in the oven. I have it going at 375. These are teeny tiny Brussels sprouts, as you can see. So, they probably won't take that long. I'm going to set them at 15 minutes and see how that goes. They just have salt, pepper, and oil. Just a little bit of oil. And then once those are roasted, I'm going to finish them in a pan with some of my vegan bacon and some balsamic vinegar. And we'll get the roast going in the oven. But I'm actually not going to cook these in the pan until it's closer to the roast being done. But yeah, we'll then get the roast in the oven, and the lighting just changed dramatically. We are in the thick of cooking. We've got mushrooms and onions going for the mushroom gravy. The mashed potatoes are done and just sitting on the warmer. I have added the bacon to the Brussels sprouts with some balsamic vinegar. It should just be a couple of minutes, I think. The foil is off of our garden roast and it is crisping up. And then we will add the crescent rolls to the oven, and we'll just warm up these as well, and we should be good to go. Doing all that prep work and picking easy stuff ahead of time. That's very helpful. So here's our dinner. We've got Austin's candied squash, our mashed potatoes, mushroom gravy, our garden roast, and our Brussels sprouts, and our rolls. And we're gonna go ahead and get to eating. Happy Thanksgiving. So we ate pie and we watched that new Christmas movie, Happiest Christmas or something like that. It was so cute. I really enjoyed it. So here's the pumpkin pie Austin made, and here is the apple pie I made. And then we just had the So Delicious whipped cream. Is that the brand? Yes. The So Delicious Cocoa Whip on top. And then I have been enjoying a glass of this wine, which I got from Link, which is really good. Oh my gosh, I'm so pink. This lighting. So that is everything we ate today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you had a wonderful Thanksgiving, and I will talk to you all later. Bye.